Hey everyone, it's PH. Fashion is about self-expression and feeling good in your own skin. When you feel good, you look good. Today, I'm sharing 5 confidence-boosting fashion tips for my plus-size women out there to help you embrace your style and feel amazing in every outfit. If you're ready to rock your curves and own your style, hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering fashion tips. Okay, ladies, let's talk about feeling good. It's all about embracing who you are and expressing yourself through your wardrobe. The first tip is simple. Wear what makes you happy. Your clothes should be a reflection of your personality and what brings you joy. Forget about those outdated fashion rules. They were never meant to define you. Confidence starts with embracing your personal style, not just following every trend. Trends come and go, but your style is timeless. If you love a bright color, rock it. Bold colors can be a great way to express your vibrant personality. If you feel amazing in a form-fitting dress, go for it. Your confidence will shine through. The moment I started wearing what I loved, everything changed. It was like a transformation. You are the only one who gets to decide what looks good on you. Trust your instincts and wear what makes you feel fabulous. Fashion is supposed to be fun. It's an opportunity to play and experiment. Experiment, play around with different styles, and find what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression. Let's be real, the number on the tag doesn't define you, and it certainly doesn't define your style. Your confidence and how you carry yourself are what truly matter. My second tip is all about focusing on fit, not size. The right fit can make you feel like $1,000,000. The right fit can make all the difference in how you look and feel. It can boost your confidence and make you stand out. Instead of getting caught up in numbers, prioritize clothing that flatters your unique body shape. Look for pieces that highlight your best features. And don't be afraid to embrace tailoring. Customizing your clothes can make them fit like a glove. Even small adjustments can make a huge difference. A nip here, a tuck there, and suddenly, your outfit is transformed. A good tailor can take an outfit from basic to, oh my god, where did you get that? In no time. It's worth the investment. Clothes are meant to fit you, not the other way around. Don't settle for anything less than perfect. Find pieces that hug your curves in all the right places and accentuate your assets. Celebrate your body. Ditch the size obsession and focus on finding pieces that make you look and feel your absolute best. Confidence is the best outfit you can wear. Highlight your favorite features. Ladies, every single one of you has features that are absolutely gorgeous. Embrace them and let them be the focal point of your style. Whether it's your legs, waist, neckline, or that beautiful smile, dress in a way that highlights them. Choose outfits that make you feel radiant and confident. Do you have killer legs? Show them off in a flowy skirt or a pair of shorts. Let your legs be the star of your outfit. Got a waist you want to accentuate? Cinch it in with a belt. A well-placed belt can transform your look and highlight your curves. Love your neckline? Find tops that flatter it. A beautiful neckline can be a stunning focal point. The key here is to experiment with different silhouettes and styles until you discover what makes you feel the most confident. Don't be afraid to try new things. Embrace your unique beauty and let it shine through in your style. Confidence is the best outfit you can wear. Invest in quality basics. Building a wardrobe with well-fitting basics is like setting yourself up for endless style possibilities. It's all about investing in those key pieces that you can mix and match with anything. Look for well-made, comfortable fabrics that will last. A great pair of jeans, a classic white tee, a versatile blazer. These are the pieces you'll reach for again and again. Having a solid collection of basics will make getting dressed so much easier and give you the confidence to experiment with different styles. Yourself and make your outfits uniquely yours. Rock your confidence. Remember, confidence is the best thing you can wear. I hope these tips have inspired you to embrace your curves and rock your personal style with confidence. Wear what makes you happy, focus on fit, highlight your favorite features, invest in great basics, and have fun with accessories. If you love these tips, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more empowering fashion content. Thanks for watching. Your support really helps this channel.